Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to open up the brand new Goodiebox. But before we get started with the unboxing of the Goodiebox, I want to remind you to enter my giveaway. We need to reach 600 subscribers in order for me to give away a satchel filled with makeup, and immediately afterwards a new giveaway will start, and I've got something very special in mind, so I really want to reach the 600 mark in order, to give away something else that is very special. It's something new, something y'all have not seen before, so I cannot wait to reach 600 subscribers, and y'all can help me out with that by subscribing to my channel, like the video, and make sure all of your friends and family subscribe to the video as well. And of course to my channel so that you don't miss a thing. Okay, now let's get unboxed. So the Goodiebox looks different. It's like a box in one beautiful color. I really do enjoy that. However, we all know the Goodiebox did pump up the price, and now you pay 25 bucks for this, and last month's box is the first box, the new box that we got, that's got so-called better items, but it was hella bad. This is the Get Naked box. Let me open up the booklet. And I do have quite high expectations for this particular box, because it better be better than the last box. If it's not, I'm gonna scream, because let me get one thing clear with you. For the Style Tone box, which really is my favorite box out there, I pay 30 bucks. However, I always get 10 to 12 full size. Well, no, actually I'm lying. They do have sample sizes, but usually things are full size from, like I said, 10 to 12 items every single month. This box is 25, so only 5 bucks away from that 30, and last time we only got 6 items. It's like half, but I pay almost just as much. And on top of that, the Style Tone items are quality items, and these items, this is the inside of this month's box, these items in the last box at least have not changed. So I don't know how I feel about the whole pumping up the price, and Goodiebox doesn't even exist all that long just yet for them to already pump up the price. I don't know how I feel about that. Okay, so let's start off with something in a box. This is what the box looks like, and I'm realizing that I'm showing you the box, but I actually have no idea what it is. Fury Lip Pencil. Okay, in the color Smooth Force, and it's gonna be brown, people. Oh, dear Lord, why does it always have to be brown? We're in the midst of summer. I would like a good coral or an orange or a bright pink or something, but why does it always have to be freaking brown? I don't understand. Okay, so this is the Sentiment. Jesus Christ, it's really hard to read. It looks very bright on camera, but in real life, it's very hard to read. So this is the Fury Smooth Force Lip Pencil in, is that the name? Oh no, Smooth Force is actually the name, right? Whatever. This is what it looks like. Now let's give it a nice swatch. Oh, it's actually pretty good color. Sorry for the bruising. Y'all know I went through major surgery, so my hand is still bruised. It's kind of my swatching hand, so, I'm left-handed. But it looks very cool. I really do enjoy a good lip pencil, always do. So, it's a full size. The Tease Trendy Cosmetics Fury Lip Liner is worth 17 euros, and yes, it is quite buttery. So I'm definitely, even though it's brown toned, I'm definitely going to enjoy this, especially during fall. Okay, moving on to something huge in here from Evoluderm, whatever. Detox Body Jelly moisturizes and refreshes. It's made in France, and that is pretty much why I can pronounce most of the stuff, because it's French. But this is what it looks like. Now let's look in here. So the Evoluderm, I don't know how to pronounce this. The Detox Body Jelly is worth €5.50. Okay, moving on to something that I can't really get out from Lavish Jar. Rescue Me Nourishing Hair Mask. Okay, it's vegan, it has vitamin E, keratin amino acids, and it's silicone free. Ultra nourishing hair mask for smooth, shiny, and healthy hair. This is what it looks like. I'm actually quite happy we got a nice hair mask in here. I'm gonna plop it in my shower right away because I don't have a hair mask anymore. So I turned yellow. Hold on, let me try and fix the camera for just a minute and hopefully I won't turn yellow. Still kind of yellow, but it's better. So the Lavish Care Rescue Me hair mask is it's a full size and it's worth €10. Okay, we got, let's see, what's this? It's Ron's Ball. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, but this is a day cream with SPF 15 in there. This is very cute. I don't know what it is with these like clean type of products, like the just simple pots in a certain color with just clean, like the whole aesthetic. It's very Danish. I've noticed every single Danish brand that we've had, like different Danish brands, they all have this like clean, easy, simple aesthetic. I don't know what is up with that. Maybe that's like trendy over there. I don't know. But this is a full size from Ron's Ball, if I'm pronouncing that right. It's a day cream and the worth is €22.70. Okay, moving on to something in a box from Tromborg. Facial Ice Roller. Okay, oh, I've got a code for you guys. So if anybody needs a code, you're gonna have to pause the video, make a snapshot out of this, because there is a code if y'all want to use it. Okay, now this is, I don't know, what did it say? A facial ice roller. I'm wondering whether or not it's the same thing that I already have, because if it is, I'm gonna pass it. Oh, yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. I'm not gonna use it. I'm going to show you guys because it wasn't sealed. Like I'm holding it down here. I'm not going to touch the upper part because that's usually the part where it touches your face. But I'm not going to touch that. It is very, very beautiful, I have to say. We're going to plump it back in the box because I'm going to give this sucker away to one of you. I don't use this. I already have a facial massager because they say ice roller, but basically it's a massager and I already have that from a stone. So I don't need this. So it's a full size. The Tromborg Facial Ice Roller is worth €25 and you guys will be seeing this in a giveaway along the way. So yeah, make sure, by the way, to check out my giveaways. Okay, let's move on to the last item in here already, which is from Mikura. It's a booby mask, and we already received boob masks in the past, and I had to laugh so hard when I saw boob mask. It's a freaking mask for your boobies. But I really did enjoy last thing, like the last booby mask. I love saying just booby mask. Anyway, it's a full size, clearly. The Mikura boob mask is worth €9. Okay guys, and that is it for this month's box. Definitely a way better box than the last one. We got 6 items. Still, for the price, for paying $25 and getting 6 items, I would at least expect 9 items every month. For €25, I'm just gonna say Goodiebox, I'm gonna expect 9 items, not 6. The thing that I've noticed since they've pumped up the price is we get 1 item extra, and this month they were all pretty much full size. But honestly, for $25, that's kind of what I'm gonna expect them to be, quite full size. And I still don't think it's up there with the price, because I would have gotten this in a different box for $20 for the usual amount that we've paid. I would have gotten all of this in there as well. So I don't really still see this, even though, trust me, it's a way, way better box than last month's, but I still don't see why I need to pay $25 instead of $20 for this particular box. Don't get me wrong, I'm not bashing the company, not at all. I'm just telling it from a view that, you know, we pay for this. It's hard-earned money, especially now during Corona, when so many people have lost their jobs and money is really, really tight right now. The world is falling apart. Literally, the economy is falling apart. So we don't have a lot of money to spend. And during a pandemic, they decided to pump up the price. Like, I just don't think that's okay. And if you're going to pump up the price, that's one thing. But then make sure the boxes are going to be hella amazing. And yes, this is definitely in the right direction. This box is like 10 times better than last month's box. But put in 3 more items and I'll shut up and be happy. This is just, it's good. It's going in the great direction, but you're still going to have to do better for that price. I'm just going to say it. Okay, guys, that is it for this month's box. Let me know in the comment section down below, do you agree with me, yes or no? Be honest, it's fine. Let me know what you think about this month's box. I'd like to thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to enter my giveaway, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!